What's the deal, gang? How's everybody doing? Hope everyone's all right. We got unemployment claims at 8:30 in 13 minutes. You know what that means? We will wait for that to happen. There will be no trades in the next 10 minutes. Honestly, I wasn't planning on being here today. I got somewhere to be at 9 o'clock. But, you know, as they say, never let a good crisis go to waste. Well, you guys are in a crisis, and I'm not letting it go to waste. Anyway. He's out here saving the planet. Word. Smoking all the trees. Smoke the trees. Righty then. Wait, let's remove these. Big ting. Big ting poppin'. Little shit stopping. Ooh-wee. So hold on, what are they expecting here? $264 is what's forecast. So if this number comes out less than 264 here, gold's gonna go down. If it comes up more than 264, gold should go up. Just saying. If you guys aren't really understanding, whatever numbers you'll see, less gold down, more gold up. Fundamentally, right? Fundamentally. Technically, we will see the shit printed on the charts. Anyway. Our daily did close bear. Our daily did flip. It did break the lows and then come back up. So it's telling me to grab some liquidity back there. Can it reflip? We'll see. I don't know if we're driving up because of expected good unemployment numbers or because this is the pullback. 4-hour did close bull. Current 4-hour looking to close above the highs here. This should be interesting. Hourly filling the hourly range. Anything above here, you should have your range 2 breakout. Because technically on the hourly, the ranges look like this. This is your hourly ranges right now. Right. Range 1, range 2, and this is a break. Anything above here is a buy. Now we're gonna stretch these. good. Let's jump down to the 30 and the 5. See what we got going on. What's going on? What's going on? Okay. We'll look for buys. Low here, 19. 13. With a bottom wick, with a pullback. We're going to be off the rip above here. And we will look for fake outs once we close low here. You know what? No, we won't. So below here, first we'll need to fill the range. Once we fill the range and come back up, I'll take positions. But there's nothing off the rip here for sells. I highly doubt I would even sell below this area. Like I said, I'd need this area. So anything below 1905. Let's measure this first. We got 20 pips here, right? Yeah, 25, 30 pips for range. Wait, what the fuck? So the reason we might hold the onion here, right? We might hold the resistance here on the hourly, but because it's a bullish 4-hour, we could still have a, you know, a pullback and a drive up. We had something similar yesterday here, right? With the hold of resistance, but we had a bearish 4-hour. Well, we had a bullish 4-hour with no bottom wick, so we were expecting it to come down and grab that. Over here, not really, not so much. So we really need to break these lows here. And once we break the lows at 1905.839 here, I'd want us to fill the range here. Once we, that's when I'm okay trading the range that we filled, which means now we either close below here and then we're off the rip, or we pull back up. Right, we pull back up here. And then as we close back below, we'll take the fake out and we won't be worried. Oh, whoops, wrong color. We'll take the fake out here, right? And to look to come back down, and we're not going to be worried about this or this, because at that point we would have cleared it out by driving through the range right here. All right, so once we drive through the range, come back up, I'm fine with taking sells below there. Let's do this, let's do that. Hate it when these levels are too thick, because I draw them on the higher time frame, so let me just even them out, right? They gotta make sense. They're not that huge. 20,000 candles, bitch. Yeah, yo. Okay. Where can we take this to? Who can we take more positions from? Big range here on 1905, 50 pips. We should be able to take advantage of. Got 3 minutes till news here, chat. Let's pay attention. Let's see what happens. We still have not had a resistance printed. All we had was just liquidity grabs to continue driving up. What's the deal, fellas? What we doing? What's up, Jack? What up, John Nez? What up, Lloyd? Jack in the box. Yes, he is. Jack in the top box. It's funny. "55 seconds here. What's the dealio? Same shit, different toilet seat. You know the deal. OMG. Becky, look at her butt. Oh my god. I better fucking laugh. Wix9 is here. Yo, are we newsworthy yet? Yes, this is the news. Ooh. All right. Held resistance. Break the lows. What came out? How did we come out here? Pending. Telling me pending. How the fuck are the markets reacting when the shit says pending? How do they know? There we go. This is dropping. How does unemployment claims the last thing to pop up here? They know the numbers. Why aren't they just releasing them? So this is good for the dollar. Gold should be going down, right? These fucking unemployment claims. Depending on how unemployment claims come out, if this doesn't break the low, here and starts driving up, I will look for off the rip positions above 1913.363. Give me the numbers. Oh, they gatekeeping the numbers. What? Oh, 260. So that's what it came out to. Oh, that's last week. What? Hello? Tentative these nuts. What's the unemployment? Oh, 239. Wow. So gold should really drop right now. Yo, let's see if we can get a pullback. Damn, like there's no stops here, you know. It's a 120 pip stop here. We need to form some kind of range here. Maybe a pullback, something that we can use. This is 1 5-minute candle. I mean, we should be on our way down now. So the unemployment went down, right? Which is good for the dollar, so. Bad for gold. Yeah, I'm gonna need a better stop than that. Word. Straight cheesecake. Yo, honestly, I miss having K on streams. Where you been, gal? Me on normal. Me on our normal Asian session. Hold on, chat. Y'all will see what I've been up to soon. Okay, moving to Miami, moving to Miami. Bunch of FF. What's FF? Frankfurters? Hike the stream, you bunch of Frankfurters. I gotta go way back here. Me and these charts go way back. In case you ain't know. We're gonna keep dropping there. Yes, we are. I need a steep top wick here. If we come up, make a steep top wick and re-break the... Oh, wait. It held support. If we re-break the highs here and then come down and break the lows, I'm going to use the highs that we make as our stops. and we're gonna have positions, but we need to stop. We can't. We have nothing here. We can go on the 1 minute, maybe use this. 1906-844, yeah, 70 pips. But realistically, we might fill the range down without a stop, and then it's fine. We'll trade after. $200 pips. Yeah, this shit. News. All the news came out, and I mean, not 200, but 120. You gotta come up and grab liquidity now. Back to the 1800s. We spoke about this like a month. We're going down to 17 by the end of the year. Top wick. That ain't it. The horse cards? Yeah. I know the deal, chat. You see how far away from my face I was lighting this shit? Look. Because I done burned my eyelashes last week. You can't see it, but I could feel it. I went, ooh, no eyelashes. Done. Your guess is as good as mine. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Dollar invited me to his 12-hour stream to show up, and I fucking passed out with my kids. He was like, no, come through. But I fucking passed out with my kids. Pips here for the wick fill. If we can get something like this, we can close below here and then start coming up for a top wick and then flip. I would take the flip here with this stop. You were watching? You were on Dollar Stream? Yeah, he hit me up. He said, yo, come through. I passed out when I was putting my kids to bed. I think he might still be on. That was like 8 hours ago. I think he's still on. I got to check with Dollar. I got to apologize. I'm sorry, dog. I told him I was coming through and I fucking got knocked. Doing a 12-hour stream? Yeah, if you on his shit, tell him Wix apologized because he passed out. Yes, you are correct. X-Zen. You're ahead of your time, bro. You a visionary. Ripped on. No. You're tired as fuck yesterday? Yeah, I was. I was sitting there and he hit me up. He's like, yo, come through. I was like, yeah, just let me free up. I gotta put my kids to bed and Nah, next thing I know, it's 8 in the morning. Don's not here. We got news. And fucking Discord chat tripping. And like 80 tags. Why y'all tag me so much? Daniels and Dollar Stream. You guys might see Danny Sav on at the in-person. Might not continue. Down? Blasphemy. Runner break even? Yes. Sounds dope. Hold on. Let this play. It's our volume song. Nice. Now sit your asses down. Looking for the break of the high here of the previous candle, and maybe a sell stop on the break of the previous candle low to finish off the range. If we break this high, grab more liquidity. Once we break the low, we should finish the range. Until then, if it doesn't happen here in the next 5 minutes, or the next 4 minutes, we'll probably wait for the 4-hour close. If it doesn't happen on this 5-minute candle, right? Break of the highs and then the re-break of the lows. So we have the break of the highs coming up. will we come back down or re-break this candle low? If it happens to do that, we'll have sell stops before the 4-hour close, but it has to happen in these 3 minutes. If it doesn't happen in the next 3 minutes, we wait on a 4-hour close, we wait on the next pullback. We wait for more stops. And then we take the big yellow submarine down with, well, it's not a good time to talk about submarines. We'll take the price coming down. Sorry, YouTube. My bad. Don't say the S word, chat. Don't say the C word, the S word, or the W word. YouTube ain't playing. Yeah, YouTube ain't letting people get away with shit. So broke the high here, right? Did it? Yeah, it broke the high. I can't tell. I'm not setting a sell stop. If we start breaking the previous candle low here, I might manually sell. Flipping bullish, huh? Yeah, we're gonna wait on a 4-hour close. We got 10 minutes here. It's not closing below 40 seconds on this candle. Let's see where this hourly needs to close. Yeah, never rebroke the low. Five closed here, never rebroke the low. We should range here, maybe pull up a bit. If we pull up higher, I'll be off the rip below 1898.87. We need to get some resistance. Get some. I'd be in off the rip here if this was, once we close below, if this wasn't the last 5 or the last 10 minutes of the 4-hour. Because I'm expecting then a pullback on the next 4-hour, right? Some kind of pullback. It doesn't have to be massive. That celery, wasn't it a trade? Where? On the 5? No, that's not valid. You can take it, but it's not valid for me. Will it fill the range for the 4-hour here? I mean, like I said, I wanted this to happen. If this happened on the last 5-minute candle, I mean, but this is the last 10 of the 4-hour. I'm expecting a bottom wick here, and then it pull back up into the range, right? But if it fills it, great. We'll have more positions on the next. Now we have a stop, right? Now we have a stop over here. And then if we close below 7586, we'll be off the rip. Or if we pull back up into this range above 1901.7 or 1901.3, if we pull back up above there and then start coming back down, it will be off the rip below 1898.67. So it just depends how we print here. We either make a bottom wick come up here and then off the rip below here, or we drive straight down and then it's off the rip below here with this stop. Okay. And you'll have stops above 1901.69. But we must wait for this 4-hour close. We're forced to, we have no choice. I don't care how far it drives. This shit could drive to the in-person and back. I don't give a damn. Bro, you missed the whole move. Me and you, brother. Me and you. Missing moves. Just the two of us. Missing moves here in NY. Just the two of us. You and I. Wee. People are fucking having emotional breakdowns right now. Fuck. Fuck. Where are you going? Well, price dipped so much, it's not even on my fucking D5 no more. I gotta scroll down. Fill the range, why don't you? See, we needed this on the previous candle. If that happened on the previous candle, we would be in there. But, or if it happened anytime after the 4-hour break. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Don't be that guy. You don't be out there like, right? Like, like just seeing somebody, I don't know, in really good shape and be like, damn, I could have hit the gym for 20 years. That thought doesn't go through your head, does it? Like you be out eating some French fries, some greasy shit, and then you see somebody really fit. And you'd be like, damn, yeah, I could have hit the gym for the last 20 years, god damn it, but I didn't. No, you continue eating your fries. Well, could have taken this position. You didn't. But I could have, but you didn't. So it's irrelevant. On the buy. It's gonna be a long hold. You're gonna be here till fucking February of next year. Yeah, fill the range already. Let's go. At least we know we have our ranges done nicely. Rejection, break. Wah, wah, wah. We got to start forming structure. If it doesn't form something here, we might not have a trade and it'll be tomorrow. Market trend down. Yeah, but like if I can't enter just because market trending one way. Just because. I mean, I can, but like it would be irresponsible to ignore everything else in the charts, like risk management. It's annoying as hell scrolling through this. Yeah, but we didn't have a talking to only. There's no stops here. Look, 4 hour about to close in 30 seconds, and at the moment it has no bottom wick. It's indicating massive momentum. You're probably gonna see no top wick on the next candle either. Just drop. Oh, there you go. Oh, even the bottom wick. Nice. I just need to project off something. Okay, either we pull back for a fake out and then below 1898 we get a fake out, 1898.99, or I'm looking at the rip positions below here. It's just drove so much, right? Yeah, no, I was gonna get in manually, but I also said I was gonna get in if it happened on that candle, that specific candle, not the candle after. Rosetta goat in the house was still. One hour close below two. Patience, chat. Patience. What I'm looking for is a bullish closure about here, about 1898, and a fake out. Great. Want this. And then I want this. Once this happens, I'm gonna look for position on the break of the slow coming down here. Oh shit. Did you guys hear me? I forgot my mic was up. Yeah, I'm looking for the fake out here. I said I want a bullish close above here, then I want a bearish back in range, and that's our fake out. For if we just start coming down, I'll have sells off the rip below 1893.856. Give me one second, chat. My kids are beating each other up. Oh, that's definitely a knockdown. She just scored a knockdown. Let's go, X11. You got 10 seconds to get up. Wix 12 just scored a knockdown on Wix 11 in the other room. Wix 11 over there complaining to the ref. There's got to be a quicker way to do this. It's fucking damn near 2024 and they ain't figured this out. Said damn near. $18.97, huh? I'm logging out. Oh, I just chased the losses. Goodbye. Hope to see you soon. Again. Maybe I drive now. Re-break of the hourly low. Where's the hourly here? 96,684. Yo, what the fuck is that noise? That's Telegram. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell here on the re-break of the hourly low. Right here, right as we break the hourly low. Well, this is off the hourly. It's got to re-break the low here. We have a 11 pip advantage point. Once it does re-break the low, I'm gonna use the hourly high as a stop. So I'm expecting to at least fill the range, and then there's the hourly closed below the hourly level. Now it made a top wick. It should respect it, re-break its own low, and fill the range. $18,949.5 is where my sell stop is. $495. Oh, stop messing with your sister. Activated? No, I told you. I'm at 18. It never rebroke the lows here. 1894.95, but we should get activated. Got activated. Well, I should be activated with you in about a second. You probably just won't get slipped. I might get slipped. No, I'm not activated yet. So it's a re-break of this candle lows. Stops will probably be off the 5-minute over here. Oh, oops. Off the 5-minute. 1901. 974. Can we activate? Getting close. Getting close. Not yet. And I get slipped here. I'm not in your chat. It got less than a pip. Oh, I'm afraid it's gonna slip me here. I'll tell you if it does. Yo, I'm not in yet. Point, it turns green. You know how it does that? When you're about to be in on the terminal, it turns green. Oh, there we go. Now I'm in. And I got slipped. How the fuck I get slipped 3 pips? Yo, that's some bullshit. I knew I get slipped. All right. Where's my tool? Right here. My stops will be above here. And my TP is, the overall TP is 84. So the hourly range goes, and that's what it's going to look like. The stop is the previous 5-minute level. All right, that's our stop. The previous 5 over there. 1893.87. I'll look to go break even. Well, 1893.6. And in the case of a losing situation, if it goes against us, so once we start getting higher time frame bullish closures, then we'll look to manage risk. Until then, we're in here. And I'm gonna go make sure my kids didn't kill anything or anything. I'll be back in 1 second. Hey, all good? All right, awesome. Love you too. Kids are crazy. In an hour, I'm planning to be out before the hour. W Wick saying he loves them kids. Yeah, I always love them kids. It's my kids. That's me children. Unpack chat. Market, as long as we don't break the stops, if you don't like the trade, the market will always give you a chance to get out. Right? And we're really bearish here, by the looks of it, overall. Here's this. Nobody tell him. Nobody tell him. Oh, wait. Right there. It's an apple. It's a pear. And pineapple, apple, pear. I have a pear. That's a funny ass song. Has being high has ever affected your trading? I used to smoke this much before I ever started trading, all throughout my trading, right? So I haven't changed anything, right? I used to suck, I got better, but I've smoked through the entire thing. You lucky I remember the journey. Yeah, that's true.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
Damn. I think that's the second best sound on the entire soundboard. Right? I've got a top wick here. It's top 3. What's the first? No, the first, I'd have to say I think the first sound is this one.
How about new?
I think that's the top sound on this soundboard. Bad attitude. Yeah, that's a good sound too. I saved that sound. Smoke a lot. Thanks, Yuri. I'll log that away. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Right, back to the trade. Let's see. Oh. You can. Okay. You can have some. Yuri said I smoke a lot. Chat. Oh, da -da -da. I got a club sandwich. And I ain't even a member. Huh? Any Mitch Hedberg fans? No Mitch Hedberg fans. Alright. Driving down. Alright, chat. I know we are reaching our level, our advantage point, our level of advantage point. So I'm gonna go break even. I'm at 11 pips right now, but I'm not securing anything. I'm gonna go just break even. And I'm gonna expect this to run a little more. Right, if it pulls back here, it pulls back, but I'm looking for this to run and have some volume to run. We've grabbed liquidity. I'm not expecting it to come back. But this is our advantage point. If it does, it does. You can secure half here at 10. I see 12. One more drop. Maybe I'll move. I'll put stops in profit. Okay. All right. There it goes. There it goes. All right, chat. I'm gonna put my stops. I got 17 pips here. I'm gonna put my stops at 10 pips in profit. And boom, it just took me out. So I got taken out. All that for 10 pips. Yes. All that for 10 pips. No, the most I saw was 17. It'll run more here, but you just want more closures below here, right? We wanted the 5 closure. We don't know if it closes here, but if it does, then you can have more positions. You got 2 minutes for this 5 to close. It should run a lot more, but I was expecting that drop. That's annoying. Because it barely tipped me by less than... Remember how it couldn't enter me by less than a pip? It barely tipped me. But a W nonetheless. 10 pips is 10 pips. We just retail traders over here. What do you want me to do? It's still a W. I don't give a damn. Right? Wait. Somebody say this is a bad trade? Man. I want to hear the shit. You manage it how you manage it. The trade's a W. My management is my risk management. Your risk management is your risk management. Yeah. Bad trade. It's a good time for that sound.
Fuck you and your badass attitude, all your negativity, and all that other shit. Keep that shit to your fucking self. You know on this side, we're fucking positive.
Straight up. You guys do whatever you want to do. This shit's gonna run. Let's see. $9.30 here. This is interesting. Let's see if we can get a top wick here. Wait, where's the 30 level? Let's get this out of here already. This trade's over. Is it even gonna close below here? See, chat? It didn't close below, so it's a good thing we moved our... Oh, wait. 3, 2. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Wait, why can't you join Zoom? 1, 2, 3, 4. It was only... You can join Zoom. I dropped the link, Don Juan. But then again, I don't know. I'm glad it closed here because it closed. I mean, it barely closed below. There's a chance it pulled back, right? It doesn't, great. The higher time frames are all in your favor. Like, think about it. We always say the market doesn't just all of a sudden flip on one candle, right? That's why I said if you don't like the trade at this point right here, with the 5 was pulling back, you're going to get a chance to get out. The market retests the lows. Right? It takes a little time to come back. So even if you're seeing drawdown, it's not just going to start driving the other way. It'll come back. It'll give you a chance to get out of your position, rethink it. If you're patient enough. And then if you're confident in it at that point, you can let it drive or you'll get out. But you have to understand, if the big drives like this, the market will not just come back the other way. It'll, it might go back. And then if it doesn't drive, it'll still retest the low it's made and come back. So you have to understand that your risk that you have on the table, or the risk that you're thinking of is in your head, is not how the market is gonna show itself. It's not like, oh, either I win or I lose, and it's now. It's gonna take you a little while to lose. It's gonna take a little while to get to your TP. You go in drawdown, people panic, but it's gonna take you a little while for that drawdown to be valid and develop. So you have to understand that, play your ranges and play your closures. Be patient. Stop taking out at 7 pips. No, I got 10 flat, 10-2. See, and it closed right at the 5 support. So we had a perfect exit too. I mean, that's all we could take based on the closures that we had earlier, right? We had a drive down but no entry. And then we had the hourly closure below. It gave us a range. It reflipped, grabbed more liquidity. We have an advantage point that we utilized in our stops, right? In our risk management. Yeah, I'm getting back to my club sandwich. I'm here for another maybe 20 minutes. Yo. While I'm eating. What up, Jack? Down.
Yo, it's good.
What up? You get anything?
Yeah, I was in that position with you.
Few pips.
The 4 hours pulling back here.
Good trade.
Yeah, my bad. Low calorie sandwich. You know what it is? It's Publix rotisserie chicken. And I buy that and dice it up. I pull it and then I make a big ass sandwich with it. Where's Don Vo today? Oh, there's Don Juan. Right here. What up, Lloyd? Lloyd, that's your name, Lloyd?
Yeah, well, it's what my family calls me. It's a long story.
What do we call you?
That's not my government name, but that's my family name.
All right.
Sounds like an interesting story.
Yeah, it's a long one.
Do we call you Lloyd?
Yeah,
All right.
why not? Family enough.
Awesome. Need a closure below this area. Right now that the support has been made here. 4 hour. Did it make a steeper top wick? 30. No, it didn't. It just
Where's
broke
my
the previous
zone?
15.
There you go.
If we close below here, I'm not off the rip. I'm going to look for a top wick. Maybe another position. I'm most likely done. I said I'm going to be here for another 20, now another 15. But I was looking to see if it can form now. If not, like, the day's not over, like, overall. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to get, if Don's on the charts, he's going to send something out because there's a lot of volume. But if he's not, then tomorrow should be an aggro day. So make sure you're on his stream in the morning. And I know Don, like, he misses a day, he fucking slays it the next day. He gets extra locked in. I know him. Especially the day after news. And if he missed that day, knowing that the next day's aggro day and he missed trading, he doesn't turn it up, but like he's just locked in his head, like, right? It's natural. He comes in extra locked in and fucking tears it up. So make sure you're there in the morning on his stream tomorrow. Oh, and tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern.
8 p.m. Eastern.
That's right, Asian session. I'll be on in about 11 hours from now. I don't know what happened to him, but I'm sure nothing too crazy. Maybe he's learning how to play poker. To break even? No, 10 pips. Oh. Yo, I take a loss. People are like DMing me on IG. Yo, update your record. I take a win. Nobody says shit.
Nobody bats an eye. Damn, that sucked.
We won with 150 pips. You only got 10. Yeah, yo. Yeah, my last loss was 20. It's alright.
It's not that 14 pips. Alright.
That was a fire sandwich. You know what would be good right now, chat? Someone could pick me up and drive me to the gym.
I thought you had somewhere to be at 9. Is that where you had to be?
No, that's where I'd rather be.
Oh.
Not at 9. I gotta be somewhere.
Have you not got your car?
I just don't want to drive.
Oh,
I need
one
a
of them.
chauffeur. Need a chauffeur. I want to jump in the back seat and just smoke again. And then go in the gym, fucking kill it, and back in the back seat.
I gotta get a gym membership. Discord chat was making me feel guilty for having a home gym that I don't use.
Yeah, no, get rid of that shit and go to the gym. There's something
I know.
about walking into a place and hearing just metal plates drop,
Yeah.
picked
Yeah.
up, and having all this commotion around you. And
Yeah.
having people doing shit, and you're like, what?
I gotta be
You
doing
don't
shit
know
too.
me. Just rip your shirt off as you walk in there.
Yeah,
Grab
round
it,
is a
grab
shape,
it.
right?
You know what I do? Every time I go into a new gym, I find the biggest guy. It's like jail. You find the biggest guy and you knock them out. You're like, all right, you ain't fucking with him.
that's why you wouldn't drive in there, just in case you get fucked up this time.
Happens a lot at La Fitness. Sell stop on the 30.
How about new?
The 30 closed at a support.
Respecting. Yeah.
Well, actually, I don't know. I think the 5 did, but was the 30 here?
My 30 is closing at a support there.
30 is actually over here, but with the way it's forming here, you want the 30 flip and a 5 close. And the top wick on another 5. Because it's a support, like once you get down here,
Yeah.
you can still drive up. So you want to close it below and then drive up, get resistance, and then break the support that you make below here in order to confirm the drive down. It's quite a few, not quite a few, but at least 2 or 3 candles have to form here.
Well, it looks pretty bearish though, so
Oh yeah,
I mean, obviously wait for confirmations, but I'm expecting A lot of drops.
Yes. Damn, gotta take a. That's a you problem. Where are you located? Right near the beach, boy. Thoughts on UJ?
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
No.
Send me location. Just go to a beach near you. Wix coming to a beach near you. See, that's what I would do. If I was doing the in-person, it'd be right near the beach. That's it. On the 15, yeah, it broke previous 15. Now it's gonna flip. Respected the 30, but the 5 found a support. So you need a 5 closure below here, and a top wick, and then a break of the support that you make on the 5, and then you could be confident because it's not, oh my god, the 30 flip. Now I'm confident. No, it's. You have the 5 happening, and then the 5 flips, and then you look at the 30 and you're like, yeah, see, I'm confident because now the 5 flipped, and the 30 is also in that direction after a top wick. But right now the 30 is in that direction top wick, but none of this happened on the 5 yet. Will it? I don't know, but I'd be a lot more comfortable in the trade if it did, and it would keep my emotions in check if it does, right? So right now, look, you have a 5. Oh, 5 closed right at it too, right? Close right on our line. Funny. Like, I can't do anything here. If I have to, like, figure out, are we below, are we above? Probably not, right? Gonna drive? Yeah. But you see, like, that was the 30 flip, and a lot of people are just in. Last year, we would have been in on that 30 flip, and then been like, wait, now we're right back into drawdown right after the 30 flip? But we understand that the 5 has to close below there. We don't just have to close below. We on the smaller time frame, we just have to tap the level here, and we have to tap it strong enough to stay below here. And once we close below here, we have to get a drive off a resistance. Once we get a drive off a resistance that breaks our support, that's already below where we are right now. We're clean below here. The 30 will be in our direction, and the 5 has played out, you know, the tune that we needed. And that's just a nuance we've come about in, you know, in the last half of last year, and implemented it beginning of this year, where last year we'd be sitting in drawdown wondering, hey, why did the 30 flip and not drive down? This year we realized the 5 has a support, need to still close below that support, and then play all of that out on the 5, and then look to the 30 to be in your direction still, and the hourly to be in your direction still, and look to fill the hourly range, which goes to down to 1886, and overall range down to 1884, right? So that's what we had planned for our trade initially, 1886, 1884. I'm not saying it won't. Sorry, I figured out what that noise was. It's Telegram. I don't know why my Telegram is open right now. But yo ass needs to close. Sometimes 2 wick, sometimes no. It found support, then top wick needed. Always thought it was just break top wick second off the rip. It's not just. It's a lot more nuanced than You know, the second one is off the rip. The closer support is not off the rip with the top wick. It's a lot more nuanced because you can have both off the rip, or you can have both needing a top wick, right? We just say that because most of the time that's how it plays out. 70 to 80% of the time, you on the second break of the second support, the lower support, or the break of the that second resistance, the higher one is off the rip. Because at that point, the hourly, the 30, the 1 hour, and the 5 has played out already, and now you're just all in the same direction. But after that first initial break here, it hasn't played out. So it played out on the hourly on the 30, but the 5, 15 haven't. So that's what you wait for. You wait for it to play out on every time frame. So, and sometimes it could play out over here at this level at our 1898.909. It could have played out there at the initial level.
Ooh.
Sell stops on the hourly. No. Hourly just flipped bullish. We had sell stops on the hourly right here. And that's what it did. It filled and then came back up. Came to our advantage point. Managed risk, closed position, secured the bacon, and then it came back up. Candle right now, where is it going to resist? Resist now. Stop resisting. That candle about to get locked up. Stop resisting. Crazy ass candle. I don't know if we knew where the candles were gonna go or stop or finish. It's we would, you know, we would be masters of the universe. We just see where they happen to find resistance, and then we react. We see where they go, then we react. What you think about news in 10 minutes? I don't think anything about it because I'll be off. I gotta run. Wick's got me ducking in my own room. I know half of yous were up against the wall like this before you even heard anyone.
Oh shit, I'm a bad son.
What?
It's my mom's birthday, bro. Completely forgot.
What time is it over
there? Still Eastern. I gotta go see her soon.
Bro, it's 9:50 in the morning. Tell her you just had a long night, just woke up, and the first thing you thought of was her.
Yeah, I should.
I
gotta go get something for her. I gotta go get her a present or something.
Damn,
Shit.
That's tough.
Yeah, that's a fail. Fuck.
We'll get a present.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a present after stream. Priorities.
You better get some flowers, dog. Mom's love.
Yeah,
flowers.
I'm gonna have to. Shit. All right. Well, good thing it's only 10 o'clock and I remember now.
Yeah, see, you gotta go too.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. That sound, bro. Yeah. Fake out still valid? No, because you didn't print a clean range here, so it might be valid on a different time frame here. I would honestly wait for this hour to close. And I'd wait. Well, it's just pending home sales, huh? 7 minutes. So you'll see volume, but I'd wait for this hour to close. Because this closes bullish, it'll be back in range. Where's the hourly range? Yeah, if it closes above here, which it should, I think we're gonna get a bottom wick. I might see it come up a little bit before eventually retesting the lows. It's gonna take a little while to form here. My mom doesn't want flowers. You know what? Like, that's how my mom is too. But I know she likes them anyway. Because I know her favorite flowers, so I'll get them for her. Right? My mom likes lilies. So I'll get them for her, right? But she's always like, she gets pissed. She's like, why you get me flowers? You could have. But she doesn't say like, you could have got me this, you could have got me that. She's always like, you could have got yourself this, you could have got yourself that. No, she thinks I'm taking away from myself for the kids by getting her flowers. She's like, you should have got something for your kids. Like, yeah. I just taught them a lesson in appreciating parents. That's what I did. I just got that for them. Well, you think I don't want my kids caring for me when I'm older? And that's a lesson my dad instilled in me, right? He'd make sure, like, his mom, which is my grandmother, and his grandmother would always get flowers. He'd make sure when I was little, I'd go with him, and I'd be so annoyed, and he's like, no, you're coming with me. I'd go with him and watch it. As he's getting flowers, and he gives them to them. He wouldn't make, like, they'd be coming from me, it'd be from him, but he'd make sure I'm watching, that I'd see their reaction and what needs to be done. We all know what Wick's favorite flower is. Why you gotta go there? I'm over here. I'm, you know, trying to tell a story. Kids will get you sativa for your birthday? It's alright. Alright, chat. I think that's it. I'll see you guys tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. That's it for me. Thank you, mods, for coming through. Green, I appreciate you.
It's because I'm green, isn't it?
Yep. Everyone else, everyone in the Zoom, Jack, Inez, Lloyd, appreciate you for coming through. I'll see some of you guys tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. But drop a like before you dip, sub to the channel, turn your notifications, this way you know when we're on. And tomorrow morning, it's not this channel, it'll be Don Vo's stream, and it should be out of control. So make sure you drop everything that you're doing, cancel your dates, call in sick for work, and make sure you're in tomorrow's stream. Should be wild. Right? Yeah. It's alright, we saved Z-Day. Where's Don? I gotta hit him up.
Wow! I feel good.
9 more. Yeah, I'm waiting until we get to 500 likes. Let's get to 500 likes. Can we get 3 more likes? And we're gonna be outie. Alright, gang. I gotcha. I know what you want. Alright. Thank you everyone for coming through. Chat. Love and wisdom to you all. Just like that, we are out.
See ya.